Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 3-06, the boiler bush type B for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-06, the boiler brush type B for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's open up the template. Alright, go right. It's pretty much the same as the last one we just done, just different dimensions. Technically you could resave the other one and just change dimensions, but that's fine. Let's do it this way. So we want a circle. Good practice too. Dimension, that's going to be 19. That's going to be 9.5. 9.5. Okay. Put Mr. Brass over. Oh, sorry. Copper, sorry. Now, sketch that one. Circle. Yeah, we'll do. Well, the bigger than that, that's fine. We should sort that out. And that is what, where are we? 22. And that's going to be 6.5. .5 and done. Well, fill it. It'll be 1. Right in that spot there. Nope. Actually, I think that was, okay. Do that one. I think if you do that face, it'll do it the same anyway. But I don't want to do it because I'm going to drill a hole through. In that, it shouldn't affect it. The hole's going to happen afterwards. But just on the safe side. Okay. Now we're going to drill a hole this side this time. Sketch. Center point. And that's going to be a hole of 14. 14. Feature, through cut, through all, and done. Well, I'm not going to temper the thread on this one. I have my much luck with thread. So that's part 3-06, boiler bush type B done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So if you enjoyed that or learned something from it, click the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Got any suggestions, comments, or questions? Comments, I do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.